two planes.
Here we go. There's two of them.
Wait a minute.
That is
No, it looked like
way
two.
cool.
It looked like two and he turned. Look how long they linger. Some of those things are burning. Landed on my boat. My boat's gonna start on fire. Now that's a prop plane there.
Wow. Is that fire? I guess those are like sparklers, huh?
They are. That without smoke was. It's actually this.
That is so freaking cool.
I've never seen such a thing.
Jesus.
Yeah, it lingers quite a while, doesn't it?
That is wow.
It's a crazy
Oh, one side. Hey, he's shooting out flares now.
Wow.
Oh, they got little fireworks.
Yeah, that's so cool. That's so trip.
I wish we had a little paddleboard here and a string run to the beach.
Cool.
You know where you could run the string back and forth?
Right.
Boat back and forth.
I feel you.
And walk in the water.
Look at those flares coming off of it. They're shooting fireworks out of it.
I know, that's what I was talking about. I was like, hey, look, there's fireworks.
You can't.
They do that when those heat-seeking missiles come after.
Wait, Dad, there's lights on the plane and it's changing colors.
Holy crap! Yeah, it is. It's like a UFO. Wow. That's so cool.
Oh my goodness, it's the best. I thought it boring, but now this is just amazing.
Yeah, it is.
Mosquitoes are getting me.
They like you. They're not getting me.
I got bit like 3 times already.
Going
Wait.
down and going
There's some off right there under the door. If you right when you look at the door, Cozone knocked it over and stepped on it, so the lid's broken. So you gotta open it up and kind of put it on with the nozzle. So
I don't want to spray my whole body.
it don't spray anyway. You just gotta kind of put that dipstick out and rub the dipstick on you.
This is amazing. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Can you sit in on YouTube?
Yep. Whoa.
What time is it, you think? 9 o'clock? Almost
Hey,
9.
he made a circle.
I better stop the recording. It's getting too long.